Have you ever felt the need to escape the noise of the city without actually living it? In Kediri, there's a hidden gem where nature, relaxation, and fitness come together. It's called Hutan Joyoboyo. Yeah, located in the heart of the city, Hutan Joyoboyo is a peaceful urban park that offers a refreshing space to relax or stay active. Whether you're jogging along it's a clean track or simple enjoying a walk under the trees, this park has something for everyone. Despite being close to the busy street, the park feels calm, almost like you've stepped into a different world. The sound of bird and rustling leaf adds the peaceful vibes. It's a favorite spot for families, joggers, and anyone looking to take a break from daily routines, either alone or with loved others. So, if you are searching a place to recharge your mind and your body without leaving Kediri City, Hutan Joyoboyo is a right place.